In 1951, Tsukatani Seisakusho was founded and started manufacturing and sales of cylindrical blades for shell buttons. We have been manufacturing steel cutting rules since 1957. In 1961, we started manufacturing parts for business forms, and we have been manufacturing flexible Pinnacle dies since 1995. Tsukatani has striven to attain the pinnacle in cutting and punching quality, while addressing the needs of the times by way of low-volume, high-variety production and shorter delivery times. With reliable products and field-proven performance, Tsukatani has gained a significant market share in the fields of steel cutting rules, business forms, and Pinnacle dies. Tsukatani's technologies are used in every corner of our lives, such as in processing of slip forms, containers, and information system components. We will introduce 3 of our main businesses: steel cutting rules, business forms, and Pinnacle dies. Steel cutting rules are used to punch out packages such as cake boxes, cardboard for household appliance packaging, custom labels, molded products, automobile parts, electronic parts, and much more, according to 2-dimensional development drawings. Tsukatani has steel cutting rules, label rules, tall rules for molded products, and rotary rules for punching cardboard that meet the needs of not only the printing industry, but serve other customers as well. The steel cutting rules are produced at our Nara plant number 1. Production efficiency has been improved by a 24-hour operation system in order to supply a wide range of products from general-purpose grade to high-value-added specifications. Efforts are made to simultaneously improve quality and reduce costs. The steel cutting rules are machined in various forms by die manufacturers. Development drawings and product package designs are produced using a CAD system. Based on the created CAD data, grooves for incorporating steel cutting rules are processed in plywood, resin, and many other materials with laser processing machines. The steel cutting rules are bent with automatic blade bending machines and incorporated in the laser processed grooves by skilled technicians to finish the dies. The finished dies are used by manufacturers of printed products, paper containers, industrial parts, automobile parts, electronics parts, etc. Thanks to Tsukatani's advanced technologies and development capabilities, our steel cutting rules provide customers with what they need to produce high-quality products. We will continue to contribute to industrial development. The business forms, such as delivery notes and home delivery invoices, are continuously printed out from a computer. Our products are used to punch holes and make perforations in these forms during the printing process. Tsukatani has products that meet various demands of business form printing, such as punching pins and dies, perforation wheels, perforation steel rules, and slitters for making perforations. Products related to business forms are produced at our Nara plant number 2. When punching materials such as paper and film, blade shapes and clearance must be optimized to each product. Tsukatani makes the most of its abundant experience to supply products that meet customer satisfaction. In 1995, Tsukatani developed Pinnacle dies capable of punching a wide range of products using proprietary sharpening technologies based on its know-how cultivated in steel cutting rules and business form rules. Due to the sharp-edged blade honed to a high degree of precision, our Pinnacle dies exhibit stable cutting performance even with materials of complicated shapes. They are used to punch not only custom labels and envelopes, but also double-sided tapes, nameplates, fine processing materials, flat panels, and FPC boards by making the most of their high precision, sharpness, and durability. Pinnacle dies are produced at our head office plant. There are two kinds of Pinnacle dies, rotary and flat. Pinnacle dies have various advantages over conventional engraved roll dies, such as easier setting changes, lower blade costs, and quicker delivery. The rotary dies are mainly used for computer labels, custom labels, and envelopes. They are also used for precision equipment parts for which flat dies were used in the past. The greatest advantage of rotary Pinnacle dies is that they can be applied to any punching shape by simply attaching the die to the magnet cylinder. The flat Pinnacle dies are used for punched products that attach, adhere, and insulate liquid crystal displays, switches, and other electronic parts of electronic equipment, such as personal computers and cell phones, for which dimensional precision is required. When using the flat Pinnacle dies, a magnetic plate or an aluminum plate are necessary. A user simply attaches the Pinnacle dies matching the height of punching dies in use. The Pinnacle dies are advantageous since they do not require overlay time and process products with beautiful seamless lines and good precision. In addition, time needed to align plastic molded products and troublesome trimming can be spared by forming escape holes by wire processing to dock with the die. The application range of Pinnacle dies expands to IT fields for products such as printed boards and liquid crystal films. We will make full use of originally developed sharpening and surface treatment technologies to expand product variation and obtain a greater market share. Tsukatani also sells magnetic and aluminum plates for the flat Pinnacle dies and magnetic cylinders for the rotary Pinnacle dies. Tsukatani is expanding the possibilities of cutting and punching through research, development, production, and sales of various products. We also manufacture punch parts for making holes in pouches. These parts enable various shapes such as notches and circles and can punch holes in pouch bottoms. Technology and know-how cultivated so far is applied in our clearance control, which enables beautiful punching of even 10-micron film. Utilizing our technology of punch hole processing, we are designing and manufacturing cutting and punching units for various industries. Going forward, Tsukatani will continue to deliver products that meet customer needs. Head office in Yao City, Osaka. Nara plant number 1 and number 2 in Technopark Nara. Tokyo sales branch office. And distributors at each area to establish a wide range of support. As the first step of groundwork for the Asian market, in 2006, we established Tsukatani Korea as a base of manufacturing and sales of Pinnacle dies. In 2012, we established Tsukatani Thailand Company Limited as a subsidiary in Thailand. Tsukatani does business globally, and exports products to 28 countries in Asia, the Americas, Europe, and Oceania. We are developing the further expansion of our network. Tsukatani actively takes part in exhibitions for others to further understand our technology. At the exhibitions, we display each cutting rule and demonstrate demo units. At our head office showroom, we do test cutting with a demo unit to realize our technology and suggest the cutting-edge solutions to meet customers' demands. We look forward to your visitation. Tsukatani Technology, richly sharpening our society and life. As a top manufacturing company of industrial specialty blades, Tsukatani Hamono strives to attain the pinnacle in cutting and punching quality and explores needs of the times.